Former Assam Minister Ardhendu Kumar Deb passed away at the age of 81 on Wednesday. The senior politician, who was also an MBBS doctor, passed away at the GMCH. Deb was reportedly undergoing cancer treatment, however, on Wednesday succumbed to the disease. The senior politician completed his MBBS from the University of Calcutta and was a member of the Indian National Congress for a long time. He was an MLA at the Assam Legislative Assembly from the Hojai constituency from 1991 to 2006. However, in April 2021, he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. They served as a minister and held the irrigation and soil conservation portfolio in the government. Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio on Tuesday met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi to discuss the ongoing Naga peace talks. Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Sarma was also present in the meeting. While there seems to be a visible delay in the final settlement or solution to the Naga issue, the NSCN-IM stated that delay was due to the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh, that is RSS, and its manifesto of Hindutva opposing the twin demands of a separate Naga flag and constitution. The NSCN-IM stated that these two demands were resolved in the framework agreement signed with the centre in 2015 in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They added that some people have misconstrued that the peace talks are getting delayed because of the flag and the constitution issues. The 22nd Kargil Vijay Divas was celebrated in Dibrugarh to remember the gallant efforts and sacrifices of the Indian Armed Forces. The celebrations were held under the direction of Colonel Sanjeev Dogra, 63rd Assam Girls Battalion NCC. The celebration was held in Dibrugarh. NCC cadets from Victoria Girls Higher Secondary School, Dibrugarh, participated in the program and interacted with the Jawans. The cadets during the program had shown their interest to join the armed forces. Every year, India observes Kargil Vijay Divas to commemorate its victory over Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir's Kargil and along the line of control. This year, the celebrations took place at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras, Lal Chowk in Srinagar and Delhi as well, where the army personnel and soldiers paid their respects to the martyrs of the Kargil War. The Meghalaya BJP leader, who has allegedly been on the run since his farmhouse in Tura was raided, has been arrested in Hapur district of UP. This comes just a day after an arrest warrant was issued against the absconding leader. Confirming the news of the arrest, West Garo Hills District Superintendent of Police Vivekanand Singh said Bernard N. Marak, alias Rimpu, has been arrested in Uttar Pradesh. A team is being sent there to bring him to Tura. Bernard Marak's farmhouse in Tura was raided, post which he was accused of running a brothel, as 6 children were rescued from the farmhouse called Rimpu Bagan in deplorable condition on Saturday. The police earlier said that Marak was asked to cooperate in the probe but was evading the investigators.